Hi, I'm Dr. John Ross, coming to you from Maintenance Innovators Incorporated World Headquarters here in Northeast Oklahoma. I may know you, and we may know each other from many conferences or workshops or training sessions. You may also know me as the author of the two best-selling books, The Reliability Excellence Workbook and Cover Your Assets. If not, I'd like to invite you to an opportunity for us to meet each other at the Reliable Plant Annual Conference in October in Louisville, Kentucky. That title came from a certification course I was providing in Ghana in Africa a couple months ago. About 3 days into the 10-day course, one of the students, his name was Caesar, he raised his hand. I said, Caesar, do you have a question? He said, what are we doing wrong? And I said, what are you talking about? He says, we seem to be doing everything wrong. And I said, hang on a second. Are you guys getting gold out of the gold mine? He said, yes. Is your company profitable? He said, we're very profitable. I said, maybe the question isn't what are we doing wrong? Maybe the question we need to ask ourselves as maintenance and reliability leaders, are we doing what we do the best way possible? Here in the 21st century is what we're doing the best way possible to do those activities. I think if we're honest with each other, I think the answer to that question is going to be probably not. And even then, how would you even know if you're doing it the best way possible if you don't come to a conference, attend a workshop or a keynote address, if you don't read a book or read a magazine or take a course or get out of the break room of your plant or the conference room of your plant, do a little benchmarking, do a little networking to find out what is the best way to do things. And would that be beneficial to my company if we were to adopt those and adapt those to our way of doing business? So again, I hope I have an opportunity to meet with you and share with you and for you to share your stories with me at the workshop on the 18th and at the keynote address on the 20th of October in Louisville, Kentucky. I hope to see you there.